Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting power right. Plug the Magsafe puck into a 20W plus USB-C adapter and a live outlet. Once done, remove bulky cases and magnetic card holders so the magnets can engage. You want the charger to sit flush. Make sure the phone's back is clean and dry, and place the charger on a stable, flat surface to avoid slipping. This initial alignment matters, because Magsafe uses precise magnet coupling to center and deliver optimal charging speed. You now bring the iPhone close to the puck and feel a firm magnetic snap. That tactile click is how you know it's centered. Once attached, look for the lock and animation or the battery charging icon. That visual confirms power transfer. If you want maximum speed, make sure the phone remains centered and stationary, because movement can interrupt the magnet alignment and drop charging to a lower wattage. For cases labeled Magsafe compatible, the snap will be slightly softer, but still secure. You finish by leaving the phone undisturbed until it reaches the charge level you need. Quick top-ups are fine, and overnight is okay with proper ventilation. If charging fails, first reposition the puck and remove any case, then swap the USB-C adapter or cable to rule out power delivery issues. Make sure no metal or cards are trapped between devices. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and try another Magsafe puck to determine whether the charger or the phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.